Go do it, and do it right now. What is going on, everyone? Jeremy Hritz here. Courage pays better than fear. Putting together this episode of Driven to finish out the week, and I was thinking about what do I want to say. And as we get ready to head into a long weekend, it comes back to one thing. Whatever it is that you want to do out there, go do it now. You are not promised tomorrow. You're not guaranteed the next minute. You're not guaranteed anything. So if there's something that you want to do, if there's something that you know, I got to make this happen, go do it now. There's no excuse. There is not going to be somebody magically who's going to come and say that you have their permission. There's never going to be the perfect time. The time is right now. So go do it. Stop waiting. Whatever it is, make it happen now. That's the message. All right. And this is going to be a mishmash episode here, just kind of wrapping things up and announcing a couple things to you. But Kevin Warsh was confirmed today. He is the new Federal Reserve Chair. So change of leadership there is going to be interesting to see how that impacts the market. We got news this week on SpaceX finally going to be IPOing. They're going to hit the markets June 12th. That's going to be huge. It's looking like their price is going to be anywhere between $105 and $120. And then you have OpenAI, who's going to be filing their paperwork. They probably won't hit the market until September. And then you still have Anthropic hanging out there. OpenAI might be in some trouble. Yeah. I'll talk more about that. But we've got those IPOs coming up. And it's been another ripper of a week. We'll see how today ends. A little bit of selling came into play right before I checked, before I hopped on the video. But it's been a strong bullish week. And so let's see how we finish out. But just wanted to announce a few things to you guys. So number one, I am going to be teaching a free swing trading class in June. And so I'm inviting all of you guys to be a part of it with me. It's going to be a 4-day class. They're actually going to be in the evenings. Comprehensive. I'll show you everything you need to know in order to be able to swing trade. Prerequisites for it, you're going to need to have completed the Wealth Accelerator first. You can sign up for that in the description below with the links, so that way you know what I'm talking about in the sessions. And I'll have the dates coming out about that. So stay tuned, because once that class is recorded, you could do it for free live, but after the fact, it will be a premium course that you have to pay for. So you could do it for free. So join me. That'll be in June. The second issue of the Courage Letter is now available. I publish those bi-monthly. It's something new that I've always wanted to do. It's my thoughts on the markets, different ideas about potential swing trades, ideas about things that are happening. You can check that out. That's in the description below. The first issue is free. Check that out. And there will be merch coming soon. Anybody who's in the Courage community, who's doing courses or coaching, they're getting some free swag, but that'll be coming soon. So I'm excited about that. And we'll have the Sunday setup probably early, because we have the Memorial Day holiday. So I'm probably going to record that tomorrow on Saturday. So it'll be a day early, so it won't factor in anything that happens in between there. I'll just be going purely off the charts. We are closed on Monday, so just a heads up for everyone. And just to give a shout out to some people to close up here, shout out to P-Rod and his 1 million steps. Get after it, brother. Shout out to Rachel and her Tesla swing trade. I hope you crush it. Shout out to Pam, getting after it, going live in June. Shout out to Ben, coming back from London, Big Ben. Shout out to Jason. Hope you've been riding the workhorse there. Talked to Kevin this week. Shout out to Kevin. Hope you're doing well. And to everybody who I've spoken to the last few weeks who's reached out for a call, it's been great talking to you guys again. I love just meeting with you and talking with you, so that's been special. So thanks for supporting the channel. I really do appreciate it. And I'm looking forward to a little disconnection from the market this weekend. I'm glad we have a day off. My brain needs some peace and to not look at a candlestick chart. So today's one of those days where I'm ready to relax. So with that said, in the meantime, in between time, make it a great day, honor the moment, and most importantly, be grateful, everyone. Take care.